Hello everyone. So last week YouTube had an update where they made the tag section very tiny like this, and it's really hard to navigate and edit your tags. But today I'm going to show you how to temporarily fix this. So you right click inside the tag section and then you go inspect. This thing opens up and so you mouse over on this side and you are trying to find where it covers the whole thing. So it's this one right here. You see it covers the whole thing but not outside, like that. You click on it and you go to the right side here and then you add height, let's say 600 px for 600 pixels, and you press enter. Then it makes your tag section 600 pixels long. And it does the same thing for title and description, but whatever. So you can edit your tags like this very easily. And the best thing is you can close this, and then as long as you stay in the same Chrome tab and you go to a different video, it's still expanded like this. It only resets after you go into a new Chrome tab. So that's it for this video, guys. Please leave a like if it was helpful and have a nice day.